So first I will give you an introduction of what is number system. Number system में तव्हांजा 4 types and binary, octal, decimal and hexadecimal. Binary में base 2 होंदी है ऐं जेके numbers यूज़ कंदा आहिनि उहे तव्हां वटि आहिनि 0 and 1. octal में base 8 होंदी है ऐं जंहिंमें तव्हांजा numbers यूज़ थींदा आहिनि 0 to 7. decimal तव्हांजी base 10 होंदी है ऐं numbers यूज़ जेके थींदा आहिनि उहे हूंदा आहिनि 0 to 9. hexadecimal, hexa means 6, decimal मतलब 10. So 16 base है, numbers जेके यूज़ थींदा आहिनि 0 to 15. Concept of a number system. The numbers which we use in our daily life are concerned with the decimal system of numeration. In the decimal system, we use 10 basic numerals digits. Numerals छा हूंदो आहे मतलब digits. Decimal में तव्हां 10 digits use कंदा आहियो 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The numbers from 0 to 9 consist of one digit only. The numbers मतलब 0 to 9 जेके आहिनि उनमें तव्हांजी हिकु डिजिट हूंदी आहे. The numbers greater than 9 and less than 100 consist of 2 digits. Numbers जेके तव्हांजा 9 खां वधीक मतलब 10 ऐं घटि मतलब 100 खां घटि मतलब 10 to 99 it consists 2 digits. The numbers greater than 99 99 खां वधीक मतलब 100 and less than 1000 मतलब के 999 consist of 3 digits and so on. Therefore, in decimal system we count in bundles of 10. In this system the base is 10, so this system is called decimal system. जंहिंमें तव्हांजी base 10 हुजे त उहा तव्हांजी छा कहलाईंदी आहे decimal system. Now example we have 2 to 4 is decimal system in powers of 10. So we have 224 equals to the 200 plus 10 plus 4. अगर राइट साइड खां तव्हां ॾिसो त पोइ तव्हां छा आहे यूनिट टेंस एंड हंड्रेड्स जेको 2 खे तव्हां मल्टीप्लाई कंदा 100 सां प्लस 2 खे 10 सां देन 4 खे 1 सां बिकॉज वी हैव राइट साइड खां स्टार्ट थींदो आहे तव्हांजो यूनिट 10, 100, 1000 and then so on. Remember the zero power of any number is equal to 1. तव्हांजो को भी नंबर आहे अगर जंहिंजे मथां पावर 0 हुजे 1 हुजे या 2 हुजे जेको भी हुजे उहो तव्हां कंहिंजे इक्वल ईंदो 1 जे. So we have 2 multiplied by 10 power 10 plus 2 multiplied by 10 power plus 4 multiplied by 10 power. राइट साइड खां तव्हां वेंदा हाणे पोइ तव्हां छा लॻाईंदा पावर्स में तव्हां छा ईंदो राइट साइड खां 0, 1, 2 and then so on. बट तव्हांखे राइट साइड खां वञिणो आहे. Exercise 3.1 we have in fill in the blanks. Question number 1. First part we have in decimal system we use the basic numbers which are decimal system में पाण कहिड़ा basic numbers यूज़ कंदा आहियूं 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The numbers from 0 to 9 consist of one digit only. ये तांजो 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have only one digit. The numbers greater than 99 and less than 1000 consist of 3 digits. मतलब 99 का वधीक 100 and less than 1000 मतलब 999 times. So we have 3 digits. In decimal system we count in bundles of 10 मतलब 0 to 9 पाण केतिरा काउंट कंदासीं bundles 10. In decimal system the base is 10. Decimal जी system जी base तव्हांजी कहिड़ी आहे 10. Zero power of any number is equal to 1. 1, 3, 2 base तव्हां वटि 10 given आहे. So we have 1 multiplied by 10 power 2 plus 3 multiplied by 10 power 1 plus 2 multiplied by 10 power 0. From right side खां तव्हां इहे powers लॻाईंदा. So we have 8 part we have 3, 6, 5, 4, 3 multiplied by 10 power 3 plus 6 multiplied by 10 power 2 plus 5 multiplied by 10 power 1 plus 4 multiplied by 10 power 0. Ninth, we have 1 multiplied by 10 power 2 plus 2 multiplied by 10 power 1 plus 3 multiplied by 10 power 0. 10 power 2 100, 100. 2 multiplied by 10 power 1 थिंदो तांजो 10, 20. Then 3 multiplied by 10 power 0. 10 power जो तां चाहते विंदो 1. So we have 123. Next we have 3 multiplied by 10 power 3 मतलब 3000. 10 power 3 मतलब के 3000 मतलब 10 के 3 times ताके मल्टीप्लाई करना है प्लस 0 multiplied by 10 power 2 मतलब 100 plus 0 multiplied by 10 power 1 10 plus 3 multiplied by 10 power 0 1. So we have 3003. Now question number 2, we have express the following numbers of the decimal system in powers of 10. First part 65. 65 मतलब छांछाई 10 60 plus 5. 60 मतलब tens में I 5 ताने units में. So we have 6 multiplied by 10 plus 5 multiplied by 1. So we have 6 multiplied by 10 power 1 plus 5 multiplied by 10 power 0. Then 4, 5, 6 we have 400 plus 50 plus 6. Then we have 4 multiplied by 100 plus 5 multiplied by 10 plus 6 multiplied by 1. 100 जो मतलब 10 power 2, 5 multiplied by 10 power 1, then 6 multiplied by 10 power 0. 1, 4, 3, 5. We have 1000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 5. So we have 1 multiplied by 1000 plus 4 multiplied by 100 plus 3 multiplied by 10 plus 5 multiplied by 1. So we have 1 multiplied by 10 power 3. 10 power 3 always equals to 1000. Then plus 4 multiplied by 10 power 2 plus 3 multiplied by 10 power 1 plus 5 multiplied by 10 power 0. So this is your answer. Now these 3 parts of question number 2 as your homework. Express the following numbers of the decimal system in powers of 10. So first part 659, second part 3456, third part 70021. Thank you so much students. Any questions, any query, you can ask from me. Inshallah, see you on next lecture after Eid. Happy Eid, enjoying holidays.